Hey friends, this is Andy and today I'm sharing chocolate baked oat donuts. These donuts are gluten-free, sugar-free, nut-free, and they're super easy to make and totally delicious. In a large bowl, add oat flour, sugar-free sweetener, cacao powder, baking soda, and salt and mix together. In a small bowl, add milk, vanilla extract, egg, and cooking oil and mix that together. Now pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and mix together until it forms a thick batter. Spray a donut pan with non-stick cooking spray, then use a spoon to scoop the batter into each donut cup. Then you're going to bake this for 20 minutes. Add the donuts to a rack to cool completely. One side of the donut will be bumpy and the other side will be smooth. In a small bowl, add powdered monk fruit sweetener, cacao powder, milk, and vanilla extract. I ended up adding a quarter cup of milk in total to get the right runny consistency. Mix everything together. Now take the smooth side of the donut and dip it into the chocolate icing. Give it a little shake and then sprinkle the top with chocolate sprinkles. These donuts are totally addicting and will be gobbled up the same day that you make them. For more easy recipes, visit my website at andyann.com.